welcome to this video, and I'm going in this video I'm going to show you something that I just got a package, and I've been waiting for this package a long time. Like, not really a long time, to be honest. Like, actually it came quite quickly, but I was like super excited for this package. So for me that was like a long time because I was like waiting. I was like thinking like, oh my god, what is it going to be like. So I was very excited, so therefore this time was long for me, and I'm unboxing. So how it started, this idea of me like buying flower nose started with me going to Japan. And when I was in Japan, I lost my cosmetics, all of them, like all of my makeup cosmetics. I lost them, and I cannot be with no makeup. I'm too insecure to just be walking around with no makeup, especially like for a long time. Oh no. So I went to a shop in which there was like, among others, there were cosmetics in this shop. And then for the first time in my life, I saw flower nose. And I've never been like into makeup itself. Like, I haven't watched a lot of videos about makeup. Like, I watched some, but not like a lot. Sometimes I watched some, you know. I've never been like very interested in makeup. Like, actually that's kind of funny, because a lot of people, before they started wearing makeup, they watched a lot of videos, about a lot of tutorials. And when I started wearing makeup, I didn't watch any tutorials. Like, before my first makeup, I watched 0 of them, and that was very visible because I was very bad at applying makeup. I was like, everybody made fun of me when I was at school for how bad my makeup was. So that was the first time I learned about flower nose, when I was in Japan. And it's a Chinese brand, it's not Japanese. And actually I wanted to I didn't even memorize that that was flower nose. I just saw that that was some brand that had like really beautiful cosmetics, and I even bought one thing from them, but only one, because I didn't have a lot of, you know, I didn't have a very high budget. And then I came back and I started looking online at flower nose. Actually, I talked to somebody and they were like, oh, there's this brand called flower nose. And then I googled flower nose and I realized, oh my god, this is exactly the brand that I saw in Japan. So I started looking, and I wanted to buy from like a regular website of flower nose, but I bought dupes. They were not very much cheaper. They were a bit cheaper. I think they are dupes, but if they are, like, they can be original, because they are like really good. I think they are dupes. I think they aren't original. They just came to me from China, and I'm so excited, by the way. They look amazing. Like, at least the packaging, like, because I haven't opened them yet, they look amazing. This is a blush, by the way, and I normally do not wear blush. Like, this is actually my first blush, I think. Like, I have some blushes that are like in a set with highlighter and bronzer, but I don't know why I don't like wearing a blush. I feel kind of silly when when there's some pink on my cheek. I'm not a big fan of blushes, but because I love the design of this blush so much that I bought it. Ta-da! Yeah, looks exactly like the one, at least I think so, because I don't have a good like a visual memory. It looks like the one that I saw in Japan. It's so beautiful. Let's make a swatch. Yeah, it also looks the same inside. It's very beautiful. Yeah, it looks good. Like, it looks really good. Oh, maybe I will apply it right now. It's the first time in my life I apply a blush. I'm not like very much a blush person. I don't know if you can see something. Maybe then I go in front of my mirror and I see myself better, and I see I look like a clown or something. Anyway, it looks beautiful. Like, maybe not on me, but the packaging and everything looks so beautiful. Yeah, so here's the blush. And there's, yeah, I'm going to open this. There's another thing, like, from the same collection. So it kind of looks similar to the blush. And it actually, like, in Flower Nose, they have such collection, and it looks exactly like the Flower Nose, at least from the outside. At least I think so. It has something written in Chinese. But this collection, by the way, is called Mermaid's Dreams. And I truly wish I spoke Chinese. Like, this is one of the languages actually I would like to learn. But learning languages takes time. And I'm like super busy all the time. I'm always like thinking how I'm just trying to figure out how to do the things that I want to do, like all of them. Because I never have enough time. And learning Chinese would definitely take a lot of time. And I'm like really bad at learning things that are like visual. Like, I would like learning Chinese signs would be so difficult for me, I think. Like, maybe the sounds, they would not be that difficult for me, and the like words themselves, but the signs, oh my god. I'm very bad at learning visual stuff. I barely can read. Like, actually, always when I read, but actually that's ADHD mostly. Yeah, I'm opening it. It's almost there. I should have opened this before making the video, because then it's kind of boring when I'm just opening. And the time is going by and I'm trying to open. Oh, yeah, I'm almost there. Yay! And here are the shadows. And by the way, I really like eyeshadows. This is like one of the things that I like most about makeup are eyeshadows. Yay! And here are the eyeshadows that I have inside. They look really good, like especially this one. Like, it looks amazing. Now I will make a swatch. Let's see how they look on my... Actually, they look pretty good. They don't, it's not just, you know, it doesn't just look good, like, when it comes to the packaging. Like, the eyeshadows, they look good as well. Actually, the only thing that I bought in Japan from Flower Nose was a single eyeshadow, not like a palette, but like a single eyeshadow. Actually, this brown one. Oh yeah, it's okay. I just needed to... maybe in the slide it's not very visible, but that's what it looks like more or less. I think on my eye it would look actually better, and maybe not in the slide, because in the slide it's not like very visible. I noticed that those like Asian cosmetics, they tend to, like those glittery ones, they tend to be like quite light and quite like delicate, because like from some brands, if you have like a glittery one, can be like really, for example from Juvia's Place, then they can be like really intense, that they are almost like neon on your eye. And I noticed that from all those Asian brands, they are like, you can basically not see them in the camera, I guess, but I can see, like in real life, I see the glitter on my skin, and I see that there's something, and they look good, but on, you know, they are quite delicate, so I cannot capture them in the camera. And this is the third thing that I have, and it's a palette that actually I wanted to buy in Japan. And when I bought this single eyeshadow, I bought from the same collection, and maybe here it's the name of collection is written, maybe, because on this one, for example, it was written that it's Mermaid's Dream. How to open this? I don't want to break it, because it has this stamp. I think you opened this from... no? don't want to break it. Damn, there should be like some instruction or something, because like I really don't know how to open this. And I don't... Should I like take this off? Probably, because I don't see any other way. Oh, I don't want to destroy this beautiful stamp. Yeah, I think I just opened this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It looks a bit different from the one that I was thinking about buying. At least I think so. I'm not sure, to be honest, though. Maybe my memory is like failing me. I was like really unwell when I was in Japan. It wasn't in my best state of mind. Even this, you know, even this plastic is so beautiful. Damn. These are some good tubes. Yeah, so all of them, they are kind of like neutral shades. I think it looks a bit different from like the one that I saw in Japan. Yeah, so I will make a swatch on the other hand because one of my hands already has a swatch. First I will make this. Oh my god, now I will be afraid that I damage those things because they are so beautiful. I will need to figure out where I will keep them so they don't break or something. They look really good, to be honest. Like, I don't know if on... Like, also they feel good, because sometimes eyeshadow is like difficult to blend and it doesn't like feel good. But these, they feel good. And probably you will not be able to see them like very well on my arm, because like they are kind of neutral, so they kind of, you know, they are like similar to the skin. It's not like blue or I don't know, green. They are kind of like brown, beige, and some of them, they are pretty similar, like different shades of brown. Oh, those like thingies, they are interesting. Like, I've never had something like this before. They are like little circles. Damn, it's very strange. It feels so strange. They are kind of brownish. Oh my god, so strange. I'm not like an expert on cosmetics, so I would probably know what are those little balls, but I don't know because I'm not an expert. Oh, I love this shiny one. I love one of them. I already know probably which one will be my favorite. So I love this one. This one is amazing. And this is what it looks like. But in real life it looks much better because they are kind of neutral, so they kind of blend into the skin, so they are not like very visible when I show my forearm. It's like, you know, they are brownish, beigeish, beigeish. They are like beige brown. You cannot really see them that well. I will put it back. So to be honest, like, I'm really satisfied with those cosmetics. Like, they look amazing and I cannot wait to try them and to actually use them in daily life. They just came today and I was so excited when I saw them that they came. Because I was like thinking, when will they come, when will they come? Oh, I'm so excited. So I don't know about like the original. I mean, I kind of know because I have like one eyeshadow and it's kind of similar to those. So I think they are very similar to the original. I think they are very good dupes. Maybe they even aren't, I'm not sure. They have something written in Chinese, and I cannot read Chinese, you know? And the original ones would have something written in Chinese as well, because they are Chinese. So it's like, I cannot even say it's a Chinese dupe, because it's like, I mean, I can say that because, yeah, it's Chinese, but like the original is also Chinese. So original flower nose is Chinese as well. So to be honest, I love them. I think they are all great. I don't know which one I like the most. I think I will use the blush the least, because I don't use blush very often. But it's not because the blush is bad. I just don't use blushes very often. So let me know if you liked it. And see you next time. I liked it myself a lot. I think I will enjoy them a lot.